Today I'm going to show you how you can easily add a food item so that you are able to track it in your journal. So I like to make this recipe. It's coconut balls, they're fat bombs. It just uses a couple of ingredients, so it's not something I feel like I need to add the entire recipe into my food. So I'm going to just enter it as a single item. So you, in this area under name, just put the name of the food. So it's going to be, I'll just label it coconut balls. I'm not going to put a brand there. The amount, I'm just going to put for one serving what the macros are. The calories are 35. In this area, in order to be able to track the item, you have to fill this in. So you need the calories, you need the carbs, which is 1 net carb. For protein, it's 1, and for fat, it's 3. So those are the required macros, required numbers you need to add. I'm not going to put any of this additional information in, and you just simply click on Save Food, and it's been successfully added. So I click OK.